Elaine Thompson here have finally reacted, and she has speaks about the truth about what happened and why she did not run in the relay. So, in case this happens to be your first time, make sure to subscribe. I will be sharing with you exactly what she says about she not being in the replay, because recently a report came out from Nationwide90FM from Jamaica that Elaine Thompson here was offered the opportunity to run, but she declined the opportunity that she only wanted to run the back stretch. Now, Elaine Thompson here has come out to social media and she has replied to Nationwide 90 FM. She said, as a protocol, we were warming up with the team, but we knew that the team was we knew what the team was. We knew our position at the trials. We had no issues with them, with their decision whatsoever. Now, please do not use lies to justify your decision. Just let us be. We are humans, and we will be inclined to react to this constant. So from what Elaine Thompson here just said, what she means is that she also knew that she might not be choosing to run the final. The reason is because she also knew that she did not came third position when they did the trials in Jamaica. Rather, she came, I think, fourth, fifth. So she is okay by their decision not actually putting her in the relay, but them coming out and claiming that she rejected their request is actually what is bothering her. Let me know what you think, guys. Make sure to subscribe.